Hey, what's up YouTube? This video we're going to use the Kitchen Boss Sous Vide and follow one of their recipes to do a sous vide cook of two salmon fillets here. I got them individually bagged up. And first thing we need to do is get them vacuum sealed. So we're going to use our Avid Armor USB 32 chamber vacuum sealer. And links in the description to everything in the video. So for the chamber vac here, just put our first bag in. And we're just going to run it on its default setting of 50 seconds and a 5-second seal. Here's number one. All right, we got our salmon bagged up in the anti-float rack, and I'm going to just go ahead and jump to the Kitchen Boss app here. And I'm going to go ahead and just cook this. Is recommending 110 degrees for an hour and 25 minutes, so we're just going to run with it. And so now we'll go to preheat the bath, and then when it comes to temp, we'll drop them in. All right, we'll change the plans here. So when the water was heating up, I ended up getting a work call. I had to leave. I didn't get home till late, so I ended up freezing this. So now we're going to be cooking it actually frozen instead of fresh. And to do that, instead of doing a 110 at an hour and 25 minutes, I'm just going to go 110 for 2 hours. So we got the water preheated, and I'm going in, and I will check back here in about 2 hours, and we'll do a little sear on it and a taste test. All right, so there's our 2 hour cook time. Now next step is to get the fish or salmon out of the sous vide and get it dampened, dried off, and then we're going to go ahead and do a quick sear on it. So we'll go and do that real quick here. And I'm going to just damp it off real quick here. Got my cast iron pan heating up. This actually already smells amazing. And pan smoking a little bit here. Nice and hot. Oil in there. And instructions say to sear skin side down for 3 to 4 minutes. I think that's too long, so I'm going to do about 2 minutes. Now go ahead and flip it over. Now give this about a minute here to get it nice and golden brown. All right, and here's our finished product. And nice and flaky. Going to do a little taste test on it here. And that is absolutely delicious. It just kind of melts in your mouth. So there we go. Didn't mean to do it from frozen, but you know, with my job, life happens like that. So this is a salmon fillet. You know, bought it fresh, had to freeze it, but sous vide cooks it perfect. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And remember, as always, you know, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny.